Hello, tutor and classmates. My name is Leonardo Núñez Holguín. Hello, tutor and peers. My name is Leonardo Núñez Holguín. I'm studying English licensure. The number of the course is 551006, Group 1. I'm from the Yopal SEAT. My code number is 9653587. Course Technology in Teaching English as a Foreign Language, TEFL. Place Yopal, date August 29, 2014. Introduction. The new technologies of information and communication TICs is a set of tools or technological means of information and communication that can be used to promote learning. Its importance cannot be ignored. The ease of creative processing, dissemination of information have broken all barriers that limit the acquisition of knowledge, helping to develop skills and communication skills among other teachers and students. Okay. Concept. It is important process in the development of teaching and learning tool, which enables students to acquire knowledge more immediately and widely. The ICTs are in transforming education markedly, change both how to teach and how to learn, and of course the role of the teacher and the student, while changing the learning objectives for the students because they will have to form to use and produce new media. The other teachers have to change their communication strategies and assume their role as facilitator of student learning in cooperative environments to help them plan and achieve goals. 3 big reasons to use ICT in education. Digital literacy of students. Everyone should acquire basic skills in the use of ICT. Productivity. Exploit the advantages provided by performing activities such as exercises to prepare notes, communicate via email, information dissemination, web blogs, web centers and teachers, library management. Innovation in teaching practices. Take advantage of new teaching practices. Take advantage of new learning. Opportunities offered by ICT to achieve that students do better jobs and reduce school failure. Reaction centers of teachers about the incorporation of ICT. Technocratic scenario. Global literacy. Reform scenario introduced on ICT teaching practice to include disciplinary and cooperative activities. Holistic scenario. Schools must not only teach new technologies, provide changes to the environment. Impact of ICT in education world. Growing importance of the informat education of the people. Greater transparency. New knowledge and skills are needed. Remedial work on the digital divide. Need for teaching training and technological training. Request a new educational system. Providing the possibilities ICT, collaboration, bookmarking, social, wiki, communication, analysis, virtual disk, concept maps, creativity. Reasons to use ICT in education. Digital literacy of students. Productivity advantages, harnessing innovation in teaching practice. Factors affecting the time of incorporation of Internet and ICTs. Positive factors and negative factors. To familiarize educators, add slates, classroom with Internet, teacher education, coordination and advice, multipurpose halls, good Internet, digital literacy students. Reasons for the use of ICT. Digital literacy of students. Productivity. Innovate new learning opportunities. Advantages of ICT for students. They often learn less time, access to multiple educational resources and learning environments, customizing the processes of teaching and learning, flexibility in studies, benefits of ICT for teachers, individualization, treatment of diversity, increased contact with the students. They provide a good means of educational research in the classroom, professional update. Disadvantages. Turn e-learning perspective, distraction, time-consuming, information not reliable, partial view of reality. From the perspective of teachers, stress, maintenance issues require greater dedication, need to update hardware and software. From the perspective of students, addiction, isolation, visual and physical fatigue, feeling of overflow, economic efforts. Conclusions. We are able to demonstrate the degree of influence of TICs in students' learning. TICs show that the influence of teachers' teaching, leveraging ICTs to serve as support for teachers and help students in the processes of teaching and learning, thus innovating the way we teach and learn. All TICs interrelate teacher students. The student will become an active appropriator, knowledge mediated by these information technologies, and teaching will become a facilitator. Finally, we could say that the ICT curriculum integration is achieved when capabilities to develop guide the selection tool, software or hardware. The students values the achievement of learning, the use of technology itself. In example, it's a mistake to believe that the management of a word processor automatically develops writing skills. Teacher investigates and gathers information as data, analyzes, classifies, and presents to integrate it into the sessions or learning activity relevant, considering the wealth of possibilities that flange application of multiple intelligences. The use of Web 2.0 tools in the teaching of English language. Web 2.0 is easy and free to use. They include blogs, Digo, Twitter, Post, YouTube, Postcast, etc. They're in demand all around the world. We have to become professionals in the use of these tools. This way we can use them in teaching. YouTube is an excellent tool. I'll use it to teach through songs. Podcasts are excellent for listening and understanding and talking about what the broadcaster is saying. Twitter is an excellent tool for reading news about